So today, well not today, yesterday, but it rained all day, so that kind of messed up everything. I got the hood for the lawnmower and a pivot bar, and I also attached the steering shaft. So here's what it looks like. Again, transaxles are expensive, so I'm gonna have to find that old one. Here's what it looks like. The new hood. I'm getting it ready for painting. It's gonna have to be painted red to match the mower. Something bit me. Alright, this is the old hood. I kind of just jumped over here. So yeah, I can now throw away that wood if I really want to. So, you obviously notice that I don't have a front grill for this. I'm gonna have to order that separately because this didn't come with one. I was thinking about taking this one off, but just this side's all crushed up. That's never ever happening. So I'm just gonna take off this hood. Oh, by the way, this hood went to a Husky LT 4000 HT, I think. Yeah. Not only that, but this pivot bar also went to a Husky LT 4000 something HT. Yeah. And this lawnmower is an MTD of some sort. It was red. It is red now, and it had a sticker with a grass logo on it. I don't know if that's MTDs or Huskies. It's probably MTDs. I don't know. It's confusing. So, as you can see, I've got the steering mainly installed here. You can see I'm gonna have to replace that sector gear, obviously. I'm gonna have to bend this dashboard back into shape. So yeah. And then I'm gonna need to get the shaft that connects the two wheels. And see this sector gear, and you see there's a hole busted in here, so I'm gonna have to bend this metal back down and then probably screw on a flat piece of metal under it so I can install the shaft there, and then I'll have to align the shaft with this. And it's a whole complicated thing. So yeah, this is nice and firm. I would show you it turning, but guess what? This is all seized up, so never, ever again is this gonna move. It's actually so seized up that I'm gonna use a drill this size, so I can drill out that nut that holds down the sector gear, and I'm gonna drill out the other one too. It's just too rusted to really remove. This is somehow that's still working. In fact, when I first got the mower, that was still moving. I don't know how, but it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this hood back on so I can get a thumbnail shot. And again, this will have to be painted red. If you want to know how I moved the mower from here, just lifted up the back of it and used the front wheels to roll it back into position. Bent up dashboard is so hard to. It's all collapsed. Let's just. That's the best I'm getting with something that doesn't have the front grille. Look at that. That's not near good. Get a good view of what condition it's in. It's all rusty, especially under the dashboard. This is a thumbnail, so I have to do it. Wait a second. So yeah, thanks for watching. This was, how could I forget my own name? CIP5, yeah.